Okay, guys, we are supposed to do something on this chart. Are you getting me? We are supposed to actually make something on this chart. And what I'm personally thinking is, okay, I'm actually thinking of, this is on the 4 hour chart, right? I think there's still a way we can do something here. Let me reduce this line. Let's reduce this line. You should know how we got here, right? From the high time frame, blah blah blah, low time frame, this and that. So let's make sure we're having a perfect one here. Um, okay. So the reason why I have two trend lines here is the fact that this market has given me a clear confirmation, even on the high time frame, which is the H4, that it has broken out and retested around this side. So it's dropping down. If not, I always allow the market to breathe. Like I allow this market to breathe from here to here. There's nothing I'm rushing for. So this is what we're going to do. Okay, let me we've actually missed the sell here. We've missed the sell here because we're supposed to sell right from this point. We've missed the sell, we've missed the buy, we've missed everything. But the end of the game is not based on, oh god. Let me use the 1 hour. I'm not seeing anything at all. It's not possible to draw inside now. It's invalidation. This invalidation. So what happened is just that, okay, this is the 1 hour, right? So we can get something like this. This is even still invalidation. Let me check. Yeah, it's invalidation. You can see the invalidation happened right inside this place. It happened right inside that place. It happened right inside that place. So what am I going to do here? Let me try to extend it here. And before, like, this is just a new analysis. I have this analysis before that the market was going to buy right from this point. And that's why I told one of the admin to send to you guys, but I'm not sure of the what's it called? I'm not sure of the I'm not sure of the buy anymore. And I'm going to be explaining why I'm not sure of the buy anymore. Let's come back to our 15 minutes here. Let's come back to 15 minutes. So yeah, your normal confirmation on the 15 minutes, something like this. Please make sure you watch this video carefully. We are going to be taking either a buy or a sell on this trade. Okay now. So yeah, let me see. We need to zoom out well. Okay. I'm trying to draw for a confirmation actually. So I want to make sure I'm seeing it clearly myself. So that I won't be drawing nonsense for you. Okay. Perfect. You can see the market went out, it touched it as a resistance, broke out, and it's trying to do a retest. Okay, fine. And what is actually going to be happening here is that if this market should respect this support, are you getting me? If it should respect this support, we are going to have a new confirmation here, something like this. Are you getting? You know how we do it now. Just the normal confirmation here. Wait for it to break out again and retest it. And at the same time, we can still have something like this. I can extend, but why I'm optimistic about this particular trade is the fact that I have a fake out here, and a fake out is a continuation. You remember, I'm going to show you. See, the market is resting, a fake breakout rather, the market is resting at a support or a resistance. You get it? You see here, and you see here. So this market broke out to a support. So it is not a trusted market. It's just going to be like this trade we took 31s that was moving fast that day. I think the trade is going to be doing something like that. So this trade cannot be trusted. So now I need to extend this line now to be very, very careful. I cannot even use the double confirmation strategy anymore on this trade because there is a fake out, and a fake out is a continuation. So what am I going to be waiting for here? I'm going to be waiting for this market to I can't actually say we are looking for a sell or we are looking for a buy for now. But what we are supposed to be focused on right now is a sell, because you're already seeing a fake breakout. A fake breakout is a breakout that happens to a support or resistance, and a fake breakout is a good breakout. You remembered, right? So what is going to be happening here is that I will just wait for this market to come down here, come and retest. You get what I'm saying? Like, it should just come out to retest. And if the market is still going to come out here, I will just wait for the market here to do a breakout and a retest of this line. So that is what you are going to be looking for right now. But the reason why I'm more focused on the sell is the fact that the market is resting at a support, at a resistance here. You see, it's resting at a resistance here. In this world of trading, there are a lot of things you guys need to learn, and you have to learn it yourself. You have to learn it yourself. There's no way someone can go into the full detail, and that's why I said it's hard for you to learn Forex in 30 days. It is not possible. You cannot learn Forex in 30 days. Like, it is impossible. You can tell me that one. It is very, very impossible that you learn Forex in 30 days. It's impossible. Because even for professionals, we keep seeing new things every day. Every day. You will see new things. So I think if you are going to be going for a sell here, probably if you get a good breakout and a retest for a sell, the let me see what can happen from here. Let's say the entry is there, and let's pick our SL on this side. Let's say shouldn't pass this place. Let's say $10. Then we'll be aiming for $21. That's crazy. That's not making sense to me. But this is the best part, because I like taking my trade where the market is resting. You see here. But normally, a lot of people will just call me and say, okay, this is going to be their TP. But most times the market will not, or sometimes the market will not even reach this side. But this will be the normal side anyway. But the market might not reach there, because if you check something that happened there, if you check this one that happened there, you see the market is even still breathing well, at least here. So if you check what happened there now, one would have taken this trade and be like, okay, this trade is going to come up from this side. The market is continuing a buy here before it broke out to a sell here. It just continued like this, and a lot of people were expecting that once it touch this line that they will cash out. Are you getting me? That they will take profit. But no, it didn't get there. It just came to this side and just traced back, and that's why it's good to watch your trade. But we are going to watch this trade. We are going to watch it carefully. So maybe we can use the ABC structure too. Maybe when we have a breakout of this line. I mean, when maybe if this trade should hit this TP here, you understand, you can still continue your sell. So maybe when the trade now comes back to retrace out of this particular line, this one, this is now ABC structure. This is our ABC structure. So maybe wherever it comes out to retest, then you know that, oh, it's gone. Then you can just go out of the market. So you just have to be careful, and that's why it's good to watch trade. You can't just leave trade like that running, even if you are a pro. But you can understand that it is a fake breaker that happened there that is making me feel like, no, this market you know should sell. And if the market is going to buy, my trend line was here before. It was just here before, and I was waiting for the market to just retest this support. But now I've shifted it because I've seen a fair breakout, and I'm just waiting for the market to just come out of here to retest it. But this time I'm sure the market is going to touch this place. But at the same time, the best place you can put your TP for an uptrend market that you know that you have peace of mind is here. Yeah, exactly. This place. So you see, the market is a crazy place, but you have to pay attention to every details, every single details, because each details will mess up your psychology, will mess up will mess up everything you want to do. And please, we'll be resuming January. Please, guys, watch videos from Chartorium. I'm not saying watch videos from anywhere, because we are based on trend line here. So watch videos from the company, from the YouTube channel, and make sure you understand perfectly. Read the rules of trend line in your book. from the mentorship class and all that. Please, I'm sending this to every student from the last year 2024 till August. The last batch was August, and we're planning on September before we scrap September. That no, we are no longer doing. I think we ended everything with the August batch. So please make sure you are getting every single details that are very, very important, and they are really going to help you. And these places I mark are my psychological zones. You see here, I marked it down because of this point here. I didn't mark this because it's easy. Once this market break out, surely it's going to mitigate this one. Surely it's going to break out of this one. There's no way the market will break out here and it's not going to affect this. So this is my psychological level. This, the psychological zones. Oh man. Okay, I've seen it. You getting? So these are things you need to put in place. So that is going to be all. That will be all. That will be all. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. And sorry, I've actually been busy lately. I have things to do for myself, so I've been busy lately. I've been very, very busy, and I don't even know when I'll be stable. But I'm doing very, very fine anyway. In case you want to check on me, you can text the admin and ask the admin. Maybe it's going to be a she or a he. Hello, how is my mentor doing? But I'm doing fine actually. I'm very, very fine. I'm okay. I just need a break. I've been on this thing for too long. So I'm just trying to take a break for the time, and this is just how it's going to be. So please pay attention to every details here. This kind of videos are videos you should like watch over and over and over. There are a lot of things you can gain. You are going to be seeing this thing repeatedly. You can see it on under pair. You can see it on volatility 50, on V25. You are just seeing a support. This is the same thing that happened on V30 that we shared on Sunday, and it moved like crazy. It was shooting up, shooting fast. Don't worry, we are going to end this challenge surely, in a good way, a very proper way. I can assure you that my team and I are working like crazy. And if you have not found a place, fund 30 USD, at least 30 US dollar, 30 USD. You'll be risking $10 per each trade we share. So when you get 200, you can just easily shift it to like maybe 20. When you get 200, you shift it to 30. It's keep going like that. This strategy is a sure one. Although this is just the normal trend line, we're still going to be dealing with the normal strategy when we resume by January. So that's going to be all. Welcome to Chartorium once again, and welcome to Profits. That's our motto. So guys, that's going to be all for the morning, and I wish you all good luck on today's. I'll be shared later.